Well, hello, gorgeous. This is your girl, Milz the Unicorn, and welcome back to my channel where you can find all things beauty and glam every Tuesday and Saturday. If this is our first time hanging out, I'm a Las Vegas-based pro makeup artist and founder of TUL Cosmetics, my handcrafted-fresh makeup brand. Today's glam is this shimmery, sultry fall glam look that is perfect for date night. I am so grateful for you tapping in. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and turn those notifications on so we can stay in touch. Okay, so just to go ahead and get started here, we applied our TUL Cosmetics Lip Drip in Watermelon all over the lips for a super hydrating look. We hydrated our face with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. And now we're going in with Zen X Beauty Eyebrow Pomade, which is absolutely amazing. This formula is a little on the drier side, which is actually pretty good for eyebrows. Yet it's also still creamy and really allows me to fill the brows in and give hair-like strokes. And so now we're going in with my favorite foundation ever. When I have enough of it to use, I'm going for it, is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And I am using that to apply all over the face, just give myself an even base. And I love the coverage of this foundation. The way that it gives the skin a finish is just gorgeous to me. And so we're blending this out. And also in this video, guys, I tried a different technique and I really wasn't feeling it, but I did want to make sure to get the video up just because I wanted you guys to be able to see that you can still make mistakes when you apply your makeup and it does not have to be ruined, okay? Now to continue with our shimmery, sultry fall glam look, we're going to go ahead and conceal the under eyes and just highlight the rest of our face and the high points. And then we're going in with a little bit of a deeper shade than our skin tone to bronze the skin with as well. Now this is where my technique differs a little from normal. I went in with a super dark concealer shade just to really give myself some ultra bronziness contour. And I was like, okay, this should be perfect because it's super deep for me and I'll just use a tiny bit. But look at this, like it's not blending. It's not like, I felt like it was looking all muddy. I was so disappointed. So I kind of moved on and just set the rest of my face and we moved on to the gorgeous eyeshadow. We are prepping the eyelids here with some eyeshadow base, and then we're going to go ahead and go in with some brown eyeshadow. This is a chocolatey, I would say neutral, kind of cool toned brown eyeshadow. Maybe it's a little warm depending on your skin tone. It has a little bit of red in there, and we're just going to create a halo eye here and make sure that we are going into the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye, keeping the center of the eye in the middle above our iris relatively clear of any color. And then we're going to go in with some more of the eyeshadow base on a flat shader brush and just kind of tap that into the center so that way we brighten up the canvas and get it ready for this peachy, almost pink tone, but very peachy shade that's going all over the lid in the center. And so after we tap this all over the center of the lid, we're blending it out, making sure that pigment is packed in there. We're just going to do a little bit more blending with that brown. And then now we're going in with a rose gold shade just to blend that peachy shade in the center with the brown along the outer edges and create that very shimmery, sultry fall glam look that we are going for. Going back in with a little bit of that brown just to deepen the crease a little bit more to maintain that halo. And now we're going in with Prismatic Rose from TUL Cosmetics. And these shades in this handcrafted formula are absolutely so stunning. They're so shimmery and dazzling. They're transparent, but when you shift your eyes or place it above a color, it gives the most gorgeous finish like you can see here. And speaking of a gorgeous finish, we're also going in with Prismatic Gold, which is a gold reflect and absolutely stunning. We're actually going to layer these shades on so they become even more prismatic and even more dazzling. Like just watch how this is going to look when we're finished. Going back and forth with pink and gold just to make sure that we're building the color and keeping it blended. Like look how immaculate that is. This gold is ridiculous and it's so gorgeous, and that shimmer is everything in photography. Blending it out a little bit here with my finger and just going back and forth with that pink and gold. We really want that pink and gold shimmer to pop through for this shimmery, sultry fall glam look. And now using that same rose gold shade that we used to blend out the inner corner of that halo, we're going to go around the edges of our eyes and just make sure everything is blended flawlessly.
You just look so peaceful.
I am very zen. One of the best tips I can give you to give yourself a sultry eyeshadow look is to use a dark or black eyeliner in your waterline at the bottom and then also smoke out under your eye like you're seeing here. with a dark shade of eyeshadow and just make sure it's very blended out underneath the eye. That's really a way to just deepen the eyes. And so we're going in with some Fix Plus here, spread it all over our face, hoping that it'll relieve some of this cakiness that we got going on. Use some highlighter, apply some blush as well. And we're going in with some rhinestones here. I really want to jazz the look up. And so we're applying some rhinestones with a dotter here. And this is perfect for application and really gives you control over the rhinestones. And just look at this, watch this, watch this. Ooh. Popping on some mascara on the top and bottom lashes and also some false lashes for this sultry fall glam. What do you want to do for dinner?
You. I want you.
Stupid.
Is that a problem?
Yes.
What's the problem?
I want food.
I love the food you provide.
Must he be so foolish? I don't know. But now we're going to go ahead and pop in some Melon Gumdrop glitter onto the inner corner of our eyes by TUL Cosmetics. And now we're going to apply Wine Not handcrafted matte lipstick, also by TUL Cosmetics, which is a gorgeous, gorgeous blue-based berry wine shade. And the name of this lipstick was actually picked by our Facebook and Instagram and TikTok communities for TUL Cosmetics. It was super, super exciting. I ran a poll and you guys picked the name. This is the final look. I hope that you enjoy. Make sure that you shop TUL Cosmetics on theunicornlocker.com. Tap in and follow me on Instagram so that way you don't miss any content from me. And I hope to see you soon. And thank you so, so much for tapping in. Until then, mwah.